Another day, another story. Welcome back, viewers. Today, we have an electrifying topic to explore: the incredible journey of Tesla, the game changer in the electric vehicle market. Join us as we take a chronological dive into the fascinating facts and stories that have made Tesla the driving force behind the electrification revolution. Let's begin our journey through time. Chapter 1: The Roadster Revolution. Our journey starts in 2008 when Tesla introduced the iconic Tesla Roadster. This groundbreaking electric sports car shattered the stereotype that electric vehicles were slow and lacked excitement. With its stunning design and impressive performance, the Roadster paved the way for Tesla's future success. Behind every game-changing company is a visionary leader. Elon Musk, who joined Tesla as chairman in 2004 and took the helm as CEO in 2008. Musk's bold vision and unwavering commitment to sustainability propelled Tesla to new heights. Chapter 2: The Model S revolutionizes the market host. In 2012, Tesla launched the Model S, an all-electric luxury sedan. This groundbreaking vehicle captured the world's attention and quickly became a symbol of electric vehicle excellence. The Model S showcased Tesla's commitment to range, performance, and cutting-edge technology. Tesla recognized the importance of a robust charging infrastructure for the widespread adoption of electric vehicles. In 2012, Tesla unveiled its supercharger network, a revolutionary fast charging system. This network of high-power charging stations allowed Tesla owners to travel long distances with ease, significantly reducing range anxiety. In 2014, Tesla introduced Autopilot, its advanced driver assistance system. Over the years, Autopilot has evolved, incorporating features like lane centering, automatic lane changing, and even advanced summoning capabilities. Chapter 3: The Giga Factories revolutionize production. Tesla's next big leap came in 2014 with the announcement of the Gigafactory. These massive manufacturing facilities were designed to produce batteries and electric vehicle components on an unprecedented scale. The Gigafactories enabled Tesla to achieve economies of scale, reduce costs, and accelerate the production of electric vehicles. Gigafactory 1, located in Nevada, is Tesla's flagship facility. This state-of-the-art factory produces batteries and drivetrain components for Tesla vehicles. It is an engineering marvel. Spanning over 5.3 million square feet, it houses cutting-edge production lines and advanced automation systems. Gigafactory 1 produces batteries and drivetrain components at an unprecedented scale, enabling Tesla to meet the growing demand for electric vehicles. In 2019, Tesla opened Gigafactory Shanghai, its first factory outside the United States. This strategically located facility enables Tesla to serve the world's largest automotive market, China. Gigafactory Shanghai played a pivotal role in Tesla's success, driving increased production and localization of vehicles to cater to Chinese consumers. Tesla's journey continues in Europe with the construction of Gigafactory Berlin-Brandenburg. This state-of-the-art facility, set to begin production soon, will not only meet the rising demand for electric vehicles but also contribute to job creation and the local economy. Tesla has been at the forefront of autonomous driving technology. Tesla continues to push the boundaries toward achieving full self-driving capability. Chapter 4: The Model 3 and Mass Market Success. In 2017, Tesla unveiled the Model 3, a more affordable electric sedan aimed at the mass market. This milestone vehicle marked a crucial turning point for Tesla, as it made electric vehicles accessible to a broader audience. The Model 3 quickly became one of the best-selling electric vehicles globally. The Model 3 was a culmination of Tesla's efforts to make electric vehicles more affordable and accessible to a wider audience. With a starting price of $35,000, it captured the attention of not only electric vehicle enthusiasts but also everyday consumers who were considering their next car purchase. As pre-orders for the Model 3 opened, the response was overwhelming. Within the first week, Tesla received over 325,000 reservations, each accompanied by a $1,000 deposit. This unprecedented demand showcased the immense interest in electric vehicles and signaled a turning point for Tesla's growth trajectory. To meet the enormous demand, Tesla had to ramp up its production capabilities. The success of the Model 3 not only expanded Tesla's customer base but also attracted attention from traditional automakers who were inspired to invest in electric vehicle development. Tesla's influence on the industry was undeniable, as other manufacturers began to accelerate their efforts in electric vehicle research and development. Chapter 5: Tesla and Starlink collaboration. Elon Musk recognized that Tesla vehicles could benefit from the global network being built by Starlink. Tesla vehicles are equipped with hardware capable of connecting to Starlink's satellite internet system. This integration opened up a world of possibilities. This collaboration opens up possibilities for enhanced connectivity, future autonomous driving capabilities, and even real-time software updates using Starlink's global network. The satellites in space could potentially provide a reliable and seamless internet connection for Tesla's onboard systems, enabling advanced features and enhancing the overall driving experience. Tesla owners could enjoy enhanced connectivity for navigation, entertainment, and software updates, irrespective of their location. It meant that even in remote areas or during long road trips, Tesla drivers would have access to a stable internet connection, ensuring a seamless driving experience. Furthermore, this collaboration demonstrated the power of synergy within Elon Musk's ventures. The exchange of knowledge, resources, and technological breakthroughs between Tesla and SpaceX created a virtuous cycle of innovation, where advancements in one field benefited the other. This cross-pollination of ideas helped both Tesla and SpaceX maintain their positions at the forefront of their respective industries. In conclusion, the story of the connection between Starlink and Tesla is one of partnership and shared innovation. By integrating Starlink's satellite internet system into Tesla vehicles, Elon Musk's ventures created a powerful alliance that elevated Tesla's growth trajectory. And there you have it, a chronological journey through Tesla's unwavering growth. From the Roadster revolution to the Model S breakthrough, the Giga Factories, the mass-market appeal of the Model 3, and the pursuit of autonomous driving, Starlink connection. Tesla's relentless innovation and visionary leadership have propelled it to become a global force in the automotive industry. These ventures have not only revolutionized sustainable transportation but also expanded the horizons of technology and innovation. If you found this video captivating, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Feel free to share your thoughts and any interesting facts or stories you know about Tesla's journey in the comments below. Thank you for joining us on this enlightening journey. Thanks for watching.